EWI has developed an easy-to-use automated system for precision blend grinding. It uses a collaborative robot or cobot equipped with a grinding tool set up by an operator. The user interface prompts the operator to select the area to be ground, with instructions to drag the cobot and place it at the desired start and end locations. The operator does not have to know how to program the cobot, just how to follow the instructions on the pendant screen. The final prompt asks the operator how much material to remove. At this point, the operator is done and can move on to other tasks while the cobot tool does the grinding work. Sensors help keep the cobot on track by measuring the amount of material displaced and adjusting the grinding parameters on the fly until the desired amount has been removed. This portable cobot arm can be moved to the part instead of having to move the part to a traditional robotic work cell. This lets the operator decide when and where to use the system in place of manual grinding. To find out how strenuous manual grinding work can now be achieved with a portable, relatively inexpensive automated tool in your shop, contact EWI.